Some trending stocks for Monday, the 1st of December 2025. We have GME, CRCL, WOLF, and AFRM. GameStop down 1.73%. A pattern we have noticed, or rather, an occurrence that happened on Friday, the 28th, has happened again today. Sharp declines, and sharp rebound as well. Um, we're on tiny volumes, indicating that aggression is very high. Let's see whether there's any news on GameStop. Let's see, no fresh news. Yeah, okay. The stock got a bounce as of more than a week ago, over a week ago, and the algo seems to be suggesting that it might sustain it the 10th of December, and the 40 period moving average is expected to serve as a potential support in case any attempt to for the stock to bottom or drop. Projections are currently saying 20.51, not an upper projection. We've seen, okay, there's an intraday high here that printed today 23.40, so we also take that as an upper projection. It's currently trading at 22.14. Okay, let's see, but there are even higher projections. Let's see what we have here. 22.90, there's 26.50, 25.78, 24.62, 23.45 will be 23.55 is has already printed today. 23.40 printed, but pretty much the same as 23.45 on the daily chart. Okay, the same yeah, that's that bounce we're talking about. And here on this daily chart is saying that it's expected to hold or maintain the strength that it has picked up since the 21st, yes, up till Friday, the 5th of December. Then after that, maybe there might be a contraction. So the 40-day moving average is expected to pose a resistance. Yeah, going by the fact that it's just closed, it wouldn't sustain its move above it based on this extrapolation. And we can also see here as well by the 9th of January, it might occur again. It may or may not occur again. But this is an extrapolation that is going towards so many days ahead. There's no guarantee that this will hold at all. So here on this daily chart, projections are to the highs of around there 31.82, 30.42, 28.16, 26.43. Okay, let's see what we have for CRCL. CRCL down 2.98%. Let's see what we have. The stock was trending at some point. Okay, so far not a lot of shares have crossed the tape. Okay, no fresh news for CRCL. Okay, let's see what we have. The stock is down, right? It's down 2.98%. Okay, no fresh news, yeah. Okay, let's see whether we have extrapolations on its 4-hour chart. Okay, yeah, we do have. Okay, so the stock, let's see now, it got a bounce from, yeah, just like the broader market, I think. Okay, yeah, for crypto and software assets, a good number of them, AI, crypto, and software assets. Most of them got the bounce from Friday the 21st, and here it's saying that it's the contraction that has already been in place. It has already in place right now. Might remain in place up till the second of up till tomorrow, and then so all in all, it's just saying that it might um, go into a distributive contraction, going all the way towards the 10th of December. Okay, projections are currently saying 77.46, 81.05, 83.27. I think this is a pivotal projection. Yeah, it looks like a pivotal projection. Okay, not really a pivotal projection as such, not really. So projections are currently saying, yeah, I've mentioned them already. Okay, yeah, that don't there's no fresh news for CRCLs. Yeah. Okay, Wolf speed down 3.55%. Okay, so it printed an intraday high on the 26th. That was Wednesday, I think. Yeah, Wolf. Okay, just like all of them as well. It's an AI related stock, but it's got its own bounce on yeah, it began on the 21st as well. No extrapolations here on this on its 4 hour charts. Okay, projections are currently saying let's see what we have: 19.04, 19.89, and then downward projections. I think they're all downward projections: 18.1 and 17.52. Let's see whether there's any news for Wolf Speed. No fresh news. No fresh news. Okay, let's see whether there are extrapolations on its 1 hour chart. Yeah, okay. So it's saying that it's gonna might get a bounce from yeah, later on today. Yeah, later on today, and might hold it at least towards Tuesday, tomorrow, the second. Okay. Projections here are saying 19.92 down projection. Today, as also Friday, it had as high as 20.63, 22.51, 23.58, 24.23. Let's confirm that there's no news for Wolf. Let's confirm. Okay, no news for it. AFRM down 2.75%. High beta. Let's see whether there's any news. Okay, retail stocks usually rise the week after Black Friday. Okay, BNPL stands out. Okay, yeah, but buy now, pay later. They're standing out. They're not rising. It's down 2.75%. Okay, so um, the extrapolation on this 4 hour chart is saying that the contraction that has just kicked off now might continue going all the way towards the 9th of December. Okay, the 40 period moving average may not be able to hold it. Yeah, it might drop below it, even though it seems that maybe by the between the fourth and the fifth, it might hold to some extent. It might hold the support. It might serve as a support, but the extrapolation is saying that it won't hold. Okay, projections are currently saying let's see what we have: 66.08. That's a downward projection. Previous upper projections are saying 74.80, 65. That's an upper projection. Then 65.22, not an upper projection. 67.28, probably not an upper projection. Okay, let's see now what we have on its daily chart. The downtrend has been on since the 22nd of September. Is expected to resume. Yeah, from today, which is probably going on right now, and then up till the 31st of December. Then after that, they might pick up, they might get a bounce. Okay, let's see what we have in terms of projections. Nothing to the upside. But previous upper projections, yes, as high as 81.54, 84.25. This was as of the 17th of November. Yeah, okay. No fresh news. There's some fresh news here for BNPL, but not on Trading View. Yeah, let's see what we have. What is this actually saying? Retail stocks typically rise in the week following Black Friday as Wall Street looks to reap the benefits of people rushing to save while shopping for the holidays. But one name could stand out in 2025. Okay. Okay. So have a look and see what you make of these stocks. And thank you very much for watching this video.